Okay, so today I have a different kind of knife video. Mainly I post modern knife brands or modern new pocket knives, right? Today we got ourselves a slip joint, boys. A nice slip joint. Now this is the Barlow Imperial, what does it say? I wrote it down. Imperial Barlow knife. Now, it is not made anymore, from what I have seen. Now, there may be knives similar, but I don't know. Now, there are two different blades on here. One, this nice rusted clip point blade, pen style. And the other one is a small flat head. Well, now a flat head. This used to be a normal knife blade until, well, somebody decided to be dumb and broke it off. So now I'm calling it a flathead. Can be used as a tool now, but mainly a little kind of, I would deem it a ranch knife. I had a ranch of my own. Now, it has metal bolsters on it, but also has these metal plates on here that say Barlow, and again, Barlow. Now, on the blade, it says Pat Nos, I think. Oh, Lord, my light went out. Do not worry, because we shall make do. Yes, I have a flashlight on standby for these purposes. Of course. Well, you know what? It's fine. Anyway, little Barlow knife. It's gonna be a weird video, but it has a smooth plastic innerlay handles on here. Barlow, hella rusted. Inside is dirty too. I'm going to try to get this knife clean and pristine looking. But this knife is about 3.25 inches closed. I don't know how much it is open, so don't ask me. But from what I've seen, the lowest price I can get this for is about $10 to $20. But if it is a almost basically brand new, like your great grandpappy bought it and never did anything with it, you can get from $25 to $45 if new. Keyword. But we'll do a cut test and a stab and a pull through test with this to see if it is indeed terrible. We shall see. Does that work for y'all? Okay, good. I'm also missing a glove, so you know what? It's fine. First, I would prefer if we would try the broken one first. Which, yes, we will do a stab test because I want to. It's actually, well, I was going to say it's actually cutting well, but I would have been lying. Let's try that again. And not at all. It feels sharp, but it doesn't seem sharp. It's probably because I don't have my professional granny gloves on. And that this knife is older than grandma. Anyway, that blade sucks. But we still got a stab test out of it. So let's see here. Stab and a pull through. That's not gonna look very pretty. Oh yes. Tell me you have crooked teeth without telling me you have crooked teeth. Well, show me the way you eat an apple, is what I would say. Obviously, that is not very good. I imagine these knives are actually pretty good. They look nice to me. Collectors. Probably not collectors, but like, for me, you know. Now this one actually has a little bit of a tip on it. It's kind of rounded, but we're gonna try it anyway. Do a cut test. Well, you started out bad, went good, and then you fell off the bike. Try one more time without falling down, please. Oh, and Lord, you didn't even get on the damn bike. A little bit faster and a little bit of a push, and what do you know? She's not terrible. Let's do a stab and pull through, see if that can salvage this knife's dignity. Oh, not even if you had $1 million. Oh no. Well, Becky Sue, seems like you don't need $1 million. It's the push. The push is what makes the knife good. See, boys and girls, we're learning. Try one more time. Yeah, just need a little bit of a push, and she can ride the bike smoothly. But other than that, cutting edge is not grand and great. But this is very flimsy, cheap notebook paper. So, you tell me. Do you hate this random vintage Imperial Barlow knife? Or are you a Stormcloak? And if you played Skyrim, you get that joke. If you don't, well, if you know, you know. Tell me what you think. Hate it? Wish this was a different color? Wish they still made these? Because I know I do. Wish they still made knives like this, little slip joint set. You know, they're just kind of cool. But tell me what you think. Hate it? Love it? You own it? Your dad owns it. Your grandfather owns it. Your great grandfather owns it. Tell me. And thank all of you for watching, even though I have to use a flashlight for my light right now because my phone is gonna die. Thank you for enduring, but thank you all for watching, and goodbye.